As we enter, we can see tons of storage space in a row of wardrobes and a chamfered wall which is being used for television. This is a wall niche which is housing the stabilizer for the AC, and as Mrs. Arora is an avid reader, so some of her books are in this cupboard and many more outside because they can't fit in there. The bed headrest is on the entry wall, and as you can see, the ceiling is about 14 feet high. Mr. and Mrs. Arora want this room to feel light, spacious, comfortable, and also want all this storage to be accommodated within the room and, if possible, increased. I'm sitting in a 100-year-old home. This room is the room that I talked about in the last video that we had seen. By changing the layout of the room and putting the bed in front of the entry door, made the room look inviting and bigger. So the main challenge of this room was the size of the room and the height of the room. We also had this chamfered wall, to which we have added a beautiful vanity with a focus light to get ready. The roof that is 14 feet high was just brought down to 10.5 feet by adding a crown molding about 3.5 feet from the ceiling and coloring the wall and ceiling the same over the molding. Just a color change and we have an impression of the ceiling being the usual height. The closed unit that had the AC stabilizer is now a beautiful book rack and also houses all the peripherals that were initially there. The seating is a multifunctional space now with shoe space underneath. All the storage now has been taken care of by adding a big wardrobe and multi-layered chest of drawers. Moreover, a small study has also been designed. After COVID, each one of us has realized the importance of our home and how important it is to make space for every need of ours, and that too aesthetically. A final word from the lovely couple on how they find their bedroom makeover. You're happy?
I'm really happy. It's absolutely fabulous. Fabulous.
And storage?
Storage is enough for us. More than enough. I think that is all we wanted. Some storage, nice storage, and some nice outlook. दोनों हो गया.
And how about that we changed the area only? हमने पूरा जो आपका headrest था वो change करके.
It made a lot of difference actually. It made. Actually मुझे थोड़ी सी inhibition थी when we were deciding on the painting and on that wall का ruler. I thought this is too much on the walls, like no here, pictures here, this. But it actually came very well.
And how about the ceiling, जो हमारी high ceiling?
I was just about to say that because of that POP work done, that was a fantastic idea. When we look at the ceiling now, it doesn't look that high. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
I think your vision is there.
Not really.
You know, actually, guidance was ज़रूरी होती है इन चीज़ों में. You know, if you have a good teacher, then you have obviously a good student. So this is how it works.
That comes from a teacher. Steve Jobs said, "Design is not what it looks like. Design is how it works." I'm delighted to see my clients not only loving the way their space looks, but also finding it extremely useful, workable, and user-friendly. One more happy space. Check.